Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to the version package module. We will cover what it is, how it works, and how to create your first package. Open the version package from the Azure DevOps side panel. Version package allows you to group, track, and manage a specific set of work items as a versioned package. You can keep work items live and always synced with Azure DevOps, or lock them to a specific historical revision. This makes it ideal for managing release packages, compliance documentation, and formal requirement sets that need to be version controlled and audited over time. Let's start with a quick overview of the Browse page. You will see 3 tabs at the top: Favorites, Version Packages, and Package Templates. The Version Packages tab is where all your packages live, organized inside folders. You can star any package to add it to the Favorites tab for quick access. Use the Filter by Keywords bar in the top right to quickly find any package. To organize your packages, click New Folder in the toolbar. Enter a name and click Create. Your packages can then be created and managed inside these folders. For now, let's open an existing package to see what a completed package looks like. Click on V1 from the Browse page. The package opens on the Result tab. Here, you can see all work items in a structured grid, showing ID, revision ID, type, and title and description. The work item hierarchy is clearly laid out with numbering and expand and collapse controls. At the top toolbar, you will see the key action buttons: Run, Smart Report, Review, Version, Copilot for DevOps, and the More Options menu. We will cover all of these in detail in the upcoming videos in this series. And that is a quick introduction to version package in Modern Requirements Next Gen. In the next video, we will build a package template and use it to create a new package from scratch. Thanks for watching.